Taking the inhale and the exhale into our time of mindfulness, into our practice. Allowing all that is within us to say yes. Yes to this now moment. Yes to the spirit of life within us and among us. Each in our own way, we ground ourselves in this moment, connecting with the breath, drawing the crown of the head high, and inviting our body and our mind to become still. There is no place to go to get more God. All Godness is right here in this moment, right now. So it's with this idea that we recognize that the good is already given, that the love is already here, the wholeness is already the truth of your being. The intelligence we seek is seeking us because it exists within us and around us. It is available to us in each moment. The harmony we seek is seeking us. The mind can go down many paths. And so I invite you this morning to just take a moment to follow those paths, to see where they go. And to come back to the breath with a new intention, a renewed intention. To put the mind on that which you would have the mind become. What we are feeding the mind feeds the mind. It informs the heart. So we take a moment to become more conscious, more intentional. And we bathe the mind in thoughts of love, harmony, and divine resolution. Peace and plenty. Anything that no longer serves the greatest good, anything that no longer serves this mind, body, spirit. We ask that it be transformed, transmuted, or gently released. And with each inhale and exhale, staying in the love and in the light that is the holy expression of the divine, we create new neural pathways, generate new heart experiences. Co-create peace. We take our intention into the silence, breath by breath, moment by moment, as we arrive and lean into stillness. by the power of this practice. May all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know themselves as born blessed and here to be a blessing. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. In gratitude for the time and the form we've been given, and the time and the form we give this life. Namaste.